to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by the big man himself, Jay Island, and he's here to give us a little bit of what to expect from his event tomorrow. First, for those who don't know about you, General, like how you got started in the music business.
Well, I started playing the piano at age 3, you know.
See,
That's my first start. And then Main Street,
right?
mainstream, right
Right.
on the road, right to your TOK,
See your
bro.
place will start.
Yeah, man, me go around and go learn the engineering, you know.
Yeah.
From the great Danny Brown and Shams.
Yeah, man, mad thing,
And
man.
then from there on, you know, we just evolve.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
Real word they use.
Yes, man.
That evolution is
Yes, man.
apparent for real. So what can we expect about, from your event, from your show tomorrow? Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, tomorrow night, the 28th,
Yeah.
Skyline,
Natural.
Jackson. You know, just the ambience of the place alone, tell you what. Tomorrow night going to be, you know, nature,
Yeah.
fun. You know, I just leave from up there and I just see the sun bright. Me, I look off on the flat, everywhere look beautiful. Like, I just said, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Right,
That's
right.
how I'm up there, say, you know. And, you know, the trees, you know, the birds, the animals, the zoo is right there. So, you know, it's going to be filled with love
True
and
word.
education, you know. Because, you know, Rastafari,
Yeah.
reggae music is what we use to deliver the message.
Yeah,
So,
man, I know about up there. Anytime you make that shot there, you feel the stress drop off of you.
yes, man.
What
Forward tomorrow night, as you say, to feel free from that week
Yeah.
of work. Yes.
what you going to perform for us today?
Well, we're going to perform We Pray. Yeah,
Nice.
that was requested.
Mad thing.
Yes.
All right, do your thing, Jay.
All right, give thanks. Yeah. Blessed love to the world. Blessed love to the lovely audience. Yes, I, Rastafari. Yeah. Never forget to pray. I say, prior day will chase the evil away. Oh, yes. Cause who judge a bless, say no man curse. Who while he bless, say no man curse. So never forget to pray. Some cry, some smile, and some fight every day. But we rise to the top, cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith. Unchangeable, Lord, unchangeable. Hey, no matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me, I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a gruff, no, no. Life it's a journey, it's a long race. Ma say son be wise, don't bring disgrace. So take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to me people that me embrace. Truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight. We've got to be ready. Cause time's getting dreary. Just say don't you worry. I'll be in a hurry, Lord. Got to be ready. Cause time's getting dreary. So we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray. Yeah, Popcorn going to be there tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to tell you tomorrow night. Say blessings have be flow when the prayer gone up. And not a evil can harm us. Them think we done when we just a warm up. Yeah, and nothing now minus. So we tell the youths hold on and tell mama be strong. Oh yes. And talk it, have faith in Jack, cause we don't know about man. No way. A long time them a try bring we down. And not just now, from we very young. Them chat we every day with them funny tongue. Now them a watch it on the telly now. Hey, ain't giving up now. We put up a fight, we've got to be ready. Cause time's getting dreary. Just say don't you worry. I'll be in in a hurry, Lord. Got to be ready, 'cause time's getting dready. So we pray. We pray, yeah. Say they don't know my story. No way. They don't know my pain. No. They never tried to make things work. And still everything they all wanna play. Yeah.
Nice. What's up? Don't stop playing. You have to keep it strumming in the
Yeah, give it the
background.
outro. The outro, yeah. Keep it that way.
What's the name of the album?
Well, the project that will be released soon
Don't stop.
is titled No I Rise.
No, I Rise. All
It's
right.
We Pray that I just performed featuring Popcorn. It's the first single from that project.
Awesome.
Y'all keep it ready, because I want outro to try to think of, but it just now work. Anyway, keep it, yeah. Thank you for tuning in to Daytime Live. Catch us back on Tuesday for much more buzz, chat,
No, man.
mix, vibe. Yeah.
But you can't say that when musicians that call them we mix. You don't know. Big up.
Thank you so
Credits.
much.
Big up to Dre, you don't know. Gets you don't know, you large. Never Spence, Roddy, Troy Stennett, Chris Plummer. My youth, see the credit them.
Oh,
the thing now.
Shane Robinson, Frank
Mad.
Johnson, Tamika, Mannequin Piece.
On the rhythm.
Yeah.
My artist.
Guys, thank you so much. for coming.
Respect.